Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 10 Pro Plus, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications, extend the list, and somewhere in here we should be able to find Do Not Disturb. So there we go, it's the first toggle for me right here on the second page. Now once you find your toggle, first time around I recommend holding this, select more, and this will take you to the settings. In here you can customize how the mode actually functions. So you can, for instance, select people. This will allow you to choose who can call you or message you. Then we have the option for a ring for repeated callers. So if someone calls you twice within a 3-minute period, they will completely bypass your option right here. Then we have also a couple different tags like selling media when Do Not Disturb is on. We have a schedule. This is a nice place to set up several different schedules, so you don't have to do anything yourself. The phone will automatically do everything, like turn it on, off based on the provided day of the week and time. You can also use multiple of these, and if you're planning to use a schedule, just make sure that it is toggled on right here, and that's all you would need to do. For everybody else who wants to use it manually from time to time, once you set it up, you can either turn it on from here, or later on you can quickly access it obviously from here without needing to actually access the settings. You can simply tap on it to turn it off, tap on it to turn it on, and there we go. That's all you would need to do. As you can see, it's now enabled, and again turn it off. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.